Dear class 8 students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Today you are going to learn close test with clues. Now look at the board. Students, question number 1. At first you will read the words in the box and fill in the gaps of the following passage. The words are above, should, inferior, he, the, man, of, work, aware, all, to, man. Read the passage. Man's dignity depends upon his works. Dash is a rational being on earth. Dash is to work for others. He dash not be proud if he is dash blue blood. He should be ready dash help any class of people. The dash whom he is helping may be dash to him by birth, but after dash he is a man. He has dash same blood and flesh as the dash mentioned man, so he should sacrifice his own life for others' welfare. At first try yourself and then check the answers. Man's dignity depends upon his works. Man is a rational being on earth. Man is a rational being on earth. He is to work for others. He is to work for others. He should not be proud. He should not be proud if he is of blue blood. He should be ready to help any class of people. The dash whom he is helping, the man whom he is helping may be inferior to him by birth. Inferior to him by birth, but after all he is a man. He has the same blood and flesh. He has the same blood and flesh as the above mentioned man. Above mentioned man. So he should sacrifice his own life for others' welfare. Now question number 2. The words here vital, depend, country, industries, both, place, citizens, hour, or, foodstuff, for, animal. Read the passage. Ours is an agricultural dash. Hence, most of the dash of our country directly dash indirectly depend on agriculture dash their livelihood. Many important dash of our country also dash on agricultural products. Agriculture dash a vital role in dash national economy. It supplies dash for both human and dash consumption. So people have to suffer a lot if there is any decline in agricultural products. Try yourself and then check the answers. Ours is an agricultural country. Hence, most of the citizens of our country, directly or indirectly, depend on agriculture for their livelihood. Many important industries of our country also dash on agricultural products. Many important industries of our country also depend on agricultural products. Agriculture plays a vital role in our national economy, It supplies foodstuff for both human and animal consumption. So people have to suffer a lot if there is any decline in agricultural products. Okay. Now question number 3. Read the words thunder, occur, society, loss, natural, that, destroy, accompanied, originates, properties, measures, unbearable. Read the passage. A cyclone is undoubtedly a dash calamity. It may dash any time and any place. The cyclone dash occurs in Bangladesh dash from the Bay of Bengal. Dash and heavy showers are often dash with it. Before cyclone, dash heat is felt for a few days. It is a great dash for human beings and dash. There are no preventive dash of it. Dear students, try yourself and then check the answers. A cyclone is undoubtedly a natural calamity. It may occur any time and any place. The cyclone that occurs in Bangladesh originates from the Bay of Bengal. From the Bay of Bengal. Thunder and heavy shower. And heavy showers are often accompanied with it. Before cyclone, unbearable heat is felt. Unbearable. Unbearable heat is felt for a few days. It is a great loss for human beings. It is a great loss for human beings and properties. There are no preventive measures of it. There are no preventive measures of it. Okay, now question number 4. Apple, on, favor, do, shine, duties, happy, help, performing, equally, pleased, follow. There are 3 important duties of man dash earth. These duties are dash important because they dash us to go a long way. Duty to God helps us to be dashed by God. If we are favored by God, we can dash in life. If our parents are dashed with us, God will also help us to make our life smooth. We can be the dash of God's eyes by dash our duty towards mankind. All the great men of the world became great by doing all these dash. So we should dash them to be great. At first try yourself and now check the answers. There are 3 important duties of man on earth. These duties are equally important. Because they help us to go a long way. Duty to God helps us to be favored by God. If we are favored by God, we can shine in life. If our parents are pleased with us, God will also help us to make our life smooth. We can be the apple of God's eyes by performing our duties, by performing our duties towards mankind. All the great men of the world became great by doing all these duties. So we should follow them. We should follow them to be great. Okay. Question number 5. The words are Moon, she, confined, beautiful, hour, and, figure, vital, stretches, starring, crescent, A. Read the passage. The moon is a very familiar dash to all of us. She awakens dash feeling of love and tenderness in dash hearts. Even an infant in arms dash out its hands to grasp this dash thing. Nor is the moon's appeal dash only to children, even since the dash of the poetic faculty in man dash has furnished a theme for poets and dash artists. The full moon and the dash moon have always played a vital role in literature. Try yourself and then check the answers. The moon is a very familiar figure to all of us. She awakens a feeling of love and tenderness in our hearts. Even an infant in arms stretches out its hands to grasp this beautiful thing. Nor is the moon's appeal confined only to children, even since the starring of the poetic faculty in man, she has furnished a theme for poets and artists. The full moon and the crescent moon have always played a vital role in literature. Dear students, now I would like to give a homework for you. You will fill in the gaps by yourself at home and check it again. That's all for now. Thank you very much.